Hello guys, welcome back to my channel today. And today topic is jumpsuit. So jumpsuits are fun to wear and they are fun to style. The only problem with them is while using restroom you have to take them off, and that's a tedious process. Other than that, yeah, it's a super awesome piece to style, and it can be styled in many ways also. So the jumpsuit which I have today, it is similar to a culotte. So it has wider legs, and wider legs are office appropriate, so I generally wear it with office shirts, and outside office I style it in many ways. So today I'm gonna show you how to style it out of the office, and without formal shirts and all. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, for the very first look, I wore the blouse with a pink strap top. It's a nice hot pink color, and I threw some accessory also because the blouse had a wide neck, and the blouse is little oversized for me. So I grabbed the extra fabric in the front, and then I tied a knot and hid the knot under the blouse. So that's how the final look came out. So for this look guys, I wore the jumpsuit with a blouse, and this blouse has very nice sleeves. It has keyholes in the arms, and the very nice bell kind of sleeves. So this outfit looks really edgy, and it looks like as if you're wearing a blouse and a pair of culottes. So the final outfit looks like this. So guys, for this look I wore the jumpsuit with a black and tiger print mix kind of blouse. So this blouse has full sleeves, and it was longer in the size, so I added a belt and then grabbed the blouse on top of the belt so that it stays in place. And by this way we can also adjust the length of the blouse as we want. So this is the original jumpsuit guys, which I have styled in the video. So I hope you liked all the looks. Thanks for staying with me guys till the end. I hope you like all the looks. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. So till next time, signing off.